Welcome to this lovely single-level modern farmhouse located in Patagonia and Kuna. My favorite features in this home are the storage in the kitchen, offering floor-to-ceiling cabinets and a large pantry, perfect for all those extra appliances and that Costco run. You'll love this built-in workspace right off the main living area. Perfect spot to sit down and do homework, pay bills, check emails. The ensuite features a soaker tub and a large walk-in shower for two.